Hey everybody, my name is LaSalle. Thank you for coming to my channel. We're going to talk about a product today. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to talk about this thing here. This is called the Aberlite Go. It's from a company called Aberlite. They sent this to me to give it a review. It is a portable beard and hair straightening brush that has 3 temperatures, 310, 360, and 400. It also holds a charge for 15 to 35 minutes depending on what setting you put it on. All right, so this is it. Looks good, right? Nice looking package. So take it out. Here it is, Aberlite Go. It has the 3 temperatures, like I said, 310, 360, and 400. Here's your on and off switch. Should be like this, I guess, right? On and off switch. And in the back here, it has like a USB-C, but it's not. It doesn't seem to work for USB-C, my experience, but it does come with a charger here, just right here. I'll open that up. But check it out. What I like here is that you have these white teeth here. The white teeth are the ones that get hot. And then the black teeth, which are raised just above that, is what touches your skin, which keeps you from burning your skin, which is very important. This thing is portable, like I said, which is good. No cords, because cords get in the way, but you can use it at home. The texture is nice. It looks great. Feels great.
Tonight I want to learn all about the secrets.
Okay, so what happens is here. You're going to turn it on, and you're going to click this button here. Click it once, and that's the first temperature. Click it again. That's the second temperature. Click it one more time, and that's the third temperature. Now what happens, it normally takes about 90 seconds to 2 minutes to actually warm up to get going. But I'm gonna turn it off for right now. No, I'm gonna leave it on because I'm going to be using it in a second. Also, it takes about an hour and a half to charge. And when you're charging, it kind of does the same thing. First, the 310 will flash, and then you wait a while. Then the 360 will start to flash. And when that's done, the 400 will flash. And when it's complete, you get 3 solid lights. All right, so we have the charger, which is kind of cool. Like I said, it looks like a USB-C, but it's not. But here's your power adapter. There you go. You have this nice, it's like a nice felt kind of material, or like a suede. It's kind of cool. There's their Aberlite logo, or yeah, there it is. All right, that's kind of cool. So here's your whole setup. Your Go, this, and your charger. Can't beat that. All right, just thought about something. I think you guys this would be a nice little visual here, just so you can get an idea how compact this thing is. Ladies and gentlemen, size does matter.
Human Resources wants to talk to me tomorrow.
But not in this case, because this little compact baby right here will take care of your beard for you or your hair. But just wanted to give you a visual of the size difference so you understand what's going on with that. I used to have this big blow dryer and have to have the comb and do these things and all that. And it's so big and you have to put your arms out and it's just all over the place. Then I got this other one that had the comb on it, and I thought that was great until I realized it's so big I can't see what I do and the air doesn't distribute correctly. This right here is going to solve all your problems for that. It's run and gun, heats up in about 2 minutes to be honest, and you're good to go. Right now I got it warming up, about to do it and show you guys what it can do. Let's do it. Here we go. Look at that already. All right, so that's one side. Let's just do it. There you go. All right, what do you think? I think it looks cool. All right, so there you go. The Aberlite Go. You saw the before. This is the after. So let's say you don't want to keep it this straight, but it looks cool. But you wanted to keep it more natural based on your hair. This is what I do. I take some conditioner, leave-in conditioner, matter of fact. Not much, about that much. Do this and just go in, especially in the front because that's the straightest part. So that's going to need a little bit more moisture. Get in there real good. Get down to the skin, to your face. Work that in real good. And then take a little beard oil. Get in there like this. A little thickness. Watch this. Wooden comb. Just so you know, wooden comb promotes less hair breakage. Plastic combs break off your hair. It's a little fun fact. And here we go. Excuse me, I'm going to look in this monitor. And look at this. So now you see what it does. Who wouldn't want one of these? One quick thing I wanted to add is that, you know, if you're on a business trip and you wake up late and you didn't have time to do your beard, now you do. Get in your Uber, get in the back seat, hit it, you're good to go. So ladies, this is good for you also, because we know you guys like to put on makeup in the car while you're driving. And I'm not suggesting that, but what I'm saying is if you're in your Uber, this is a good thing to have. Turn it on, do your hair real quick, and you walk away beautiful as you already were when you got in there.
Because I can't draw straight line.
I also need lotion.
Let's talk about price since I haven't talked about that yet. The Aberlite Go goes for under $70. That's right, under $70. And also I'm gonna put a link down below and put up here so you can go to their website, Aberlite.com. Hey, my name is LaSalle. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Shout out to Aberlite for the Aberlite Go. It's a beard straightening brush, 3 temperatures, holds a charge, 15 to 35 minutes. It's good for you if you're on the go, on location, if you're a hairstylist and you don't have any outlets. Soccer moms, busy business people, this is a good product to have because it's portable and battery operated. Next time on my channel, we're going to talk more about beard hair care, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.